Atana Mazi. Igekwe ndị ụwa Jehova biko dị ekweduna ka ndị iro ekweduna ka ụmụ ụwa ka ndị iro mgbara ụmụ Biafra gburugburu mgbara ndị Igbo gburugburu njụ anyị ka ebe chi anyị nọ bikodo Chineke bikodo Chineke nke Mazi Nnamdi ukwu Kanu nna akpụ isi ala na-enye ọ na-akpọku n'ụtụtụ ehihie n'abalị Chineke nna bikodo bịado ife ọbụla nke anyị mana anyị emehiewo n'ụzọ ọbụla pụrụ iche Chineke anyị na-arịọ gụfọ anyị na-arịọ Chukwu biko gbaghara anyị nwere anyị obi ebere mere anyị ebere Chineke biko ekwene ka ha mara ekwedune ka ndị iro nchi anyị ọchị Chineke nna lekwa orugu nwoke Mazi Nnamdi ukwu Kanu lekwa orugu nwoke Mazi Simon Ekpa Prime Minister Chineke ekwedune Chineke ka afụfụ a niile ha nna na-ata Chineke ekwekwele ka ha njọ ha ka ezi ebe chi gị nọ Chineke bikodo bịado ọ bụ dịgo ka anyị na-akpọ ụtụtụ ehihie n'abalị Chineke ndị Igbo Chineke ụmụ Biafra Chukwu okike abịa ma ọ bụ dịgo ka anyị na-akpọ anụ m akpọgụ ugwu nke a na-arị na-atụ egwu anụ m akpọgụ mmalite na ọgwụgwụ ndị Igbo na-akpọgụ ebighị ebi Chineke bikodo bịado ka imedịrị anyị ebi obere mere anyị amara Chineke ọ bụ ife anyị na-arịọ ọdụgọ ekwedune ka ha njụ anyị ka ebe chi anyị nọ Chineke nna biko ọ bụ dugu mere anyị ji agụ ụmụ anyị kelee chi nwa ụmụ Chukwu anyị bụ ụmụ ndị na-efe gị n'ime mmụọ na eziokwu bet na ụmụ gị abịa na mmehie Chineke biko mere anyị amara gbaghara anyị nke ọbụla anyị si wee mehie Chineke onye eluigwe mere anyị ebere nekwa orugu nwoke afụfụ nke ọ na-ata n'ụlọ mkpọrọ ọ na-ata na DSS dungeon Chineke anyị enweghị ike nke aka anyị sọsọ gị ka anyị gbabere n'ime gị ka anyị gbabere Chineke anyị enwekwaghị chi ọzọ ọ bụ sọsọ gị ọ bụ gị bụ chi nke ole ma akpọ ofu ugboro izu ugboro asaa Chineke nna biko bịa zaa n'ọnọdụ Mazi Nnamdi Kanu bịa gosi anyị na ịbụ Chineke n'ọnọdụ Simon Ekpa Chineke nke mbụ n'eluigwe onye nke ọ bụ mkpọ ofu ugboro zama ugboro asaa echeta obi esi ike mmalite na ọgwụgwụ ndị Igbo na-etuga ebighị ebi anyị na-akpọgụ biko ekwedune bịa lụọ ọrụ anyị ọgụ a bịa lụọrọ anyị agha bịa buoro anyị agha nke buru butere ụmụ nke gị Chineke nna biko ndị iro gbara anyị okirikiri ndị iro agba n'anya gburugburu Chineke nna biko ọ bụkwa sọsọ gị ka anyị nwere olileanya sọsọ gị ka anyị nwere nkwadobe sọsọ gị ka anyị tụkwasara isi anyị Chineke sọsọ gị ka Mazi Nnamdi ukwu Kanu kwenyere sọsọ gị ka Mazi Simon Ekpa kwenyere Chineke biko ekwedune ka ihere mme ndị otu a ekwedune ka ihere mme ndị nke gọziri Chineke iwere wepụtara ndị Igbo mmadụ na-abụ iwere rapụtara anyị iwere kpọpụtara ka m wee kpọpụta napụta ndị Igbo na-agbụ Chineke biko kwa bikodo biko ka m na-arịọ biko n'aha Chukwu okike abịa ma ise kwere m ise na comment section Chineke ọ gbado n'anya ọ gbara anyị ghara ọ bụ dị ya mere anyị jiri na-akọsara gị mkpa anya bikodo biko Chineke ọ gbadola anyị ghara o siela ike ụzọ anyị esiela ike ndị iro ka nkụ ma gọvanọs anyị ndị akpọrọ gọvanọ ndị akpọrọ eliti ndị akpọrọ religious leader Chineke lekwe ka ha si wee gbaa ụmụ gburugburu Chineke na ha bịa na ha ebiniele na-arụ ọrụ nke ndị ajọ mmụọ na-arụrụ ekwesu ndị iro ọrụ ndị iro anyị mbụ Fulani lekwe ha ọ bụ ndị ka ha ndị a mbili na-arụrụ ọrụ ha Chineke bikodo mee ka ihere ndị onye ọbụla ndị otu a nke mbiliri si na ga-emegide ndị Igbo nke mbiliri si na ga-emegide ndị Biafra Chineke nke mbi n'eluigwe onye nke ọ bụ akpọ ofu ugboro izu ugboro asaa biko mee ka ihere ndị nwoke ndị otu a mee ka ihere ndị nwaanyị ndị otu a Chineke nna nke mbi n'eluigwe ọ bụ dịfe anyị na-arịọ bụ na ha si na ọganiru ndị Igbo agaghị ebịa ọganiru ndị Biafra agaghị ebịa Chineke bikodo onye ọbụla ndị otu a busie ha agha nke ọbụla ha na-anọ ha ọ dị m na-arịọ uche eze ndị eze Chineke nna biko Chineke anyị abịadịna ka anyị kọsara gị mkpa anyị mkpa ụmụ Biafra onye eluigwe anyị abịadịna n'iru gị tata bikodo mere anyị amara Chineke biko onweghị ife nkarịrị gị onweghị mkpa nke nkarịrị gị onweghị ibu nke nkarịrị gị obubu Chineke biko bịa bupụrụ anyị ibu a ndị iro azụkwasị n'anyị Chineke ọ bụ sọsọ gị ga-eme ya onweghịkwa onye ọzọ onweghị chi ọzọ ka anyị tụkwasara obi ọ bụkwa n'ime gị Chineke biko nna biko ka anyị na-arịọ Chineke biko bịa mere anyị amara nke ibidogo ya Chineke mechere anya n'ọgwụgwụ n'aha Chukwu okike abịama ise kwere m ise na comment section. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Good evening from me from here is good evening. Good night to some of you. I welcome all men and women to today's broadcast. I welcome men and women. I welcome good people all over the world. I say welcome for today's broadcast. Today, we are going to move. But before we move, I want to ask you for a favor. Please do us a favor. Subscribe to this channel, to USB Gospel. Subscribe here. This is where we worship. This is where we live. Subscribe to this channel. Share our videos to every other platform. And join us in this very platform. This is our platform. Because of this is here, we are going to be speaking the gospel of truth. We are going to be speaking the truth the way it is without no adding or taking out. That is why we are here today. So before I move, today, my question is, all the followers of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, people who believe in Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and the people who believe in Mazi Simon Ekpa Njoko, all the followers and the people who say that Mazi, we are with you. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that we are with you. People who is calling him my leader, move on and move on. And the people that they have been choosing before they were born for this very movement. I am calling on every one of them. And the people who are supporting Mazi Simon Ekpa, our Prime Minister, with truth and honest. These people are the people I'm calling on today's program. My question to every one of us, people who believe in this gospel of truth, people who believe in this movement, people who believe that humanity need to live a good life, people who believe that Biafran people like good life, that people who believe that we have to provide a society for unborn generations, people who believe that this mess we are going through today in that country, so-called Nigerian Zoo country, that enough is enough. People who know that we have to stand like a people that all over the world, that we will have a respect as a human being. My question to me, to every one of us, is what are you going to give in return to these two brave men that we have, that God gift? This is a gift from God. You never see this in anywhere in this world, where you have two brave men in one region, in Igbo land. These two brave men who stand for honest and the truth. What are you going to use to pay them? N'afụfụ a niile ha na-ata, ife akaja a niile a na-eme Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na that kangaroo court, ka ife unu ga-eji were kwụọ ya ụgwọ ọrụ, because of him say that Biafrans, I will never disappoint you people, but you people will disappoint me. Let us not allow this world to be real. I don't want that world to be real, that we will disappoint our leader. I don't want that to be real world. Because of what? You know why I'm saying this? Because of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. If he doesn't believe in what he's fighting for. He have sent a strong message to me and you in that courtroom. In that kangaroo court, they have let you to know there is nothing like justice. Whether you like, anyhow you like, you paint it, the ball is on our hand. The ball is on our field. The ball is on our hand. It's in our court now to let Mazi Nnamdi Kanu go. How will you let him go? Our activities have to speak for us. Ọrụ aka anyị ga-ekwuru anyị okwu because of na ebe ndị a ji Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the supreme leader of this movement, were na-emefe akaja to the extent nwoke ma nwanyị enweghịzi nke eziokwu anago because of na ọ bụ gịnị onye Igbo, maka na ọ bụ onye Igbo. And if the people who supposed to stand, the people you call your governors and your leaders, who is working against their people, working for their paid master, working with the enemies, colluding with the enemies to bring us down. We, the people, power belongs to the people. Power belongs to me and you. This is now. This is the time we have to demonstrate this power that belongs to the what? The people. This is the time we have to demonstrate that the power belongs to who? To the people. I am sending this message to all people that love Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, people who love him in this movement, people who love him as an Onyibo. This message is now for all of us. Because of it had been clear to me, even Onyishi Amarugo, Onyente Amarugo, that there is nothing you can do on this planet that those kangaroo courts, because of our people don't understand something. When they tell you that in a country where there is no law, there is no hope, there is no life. Let me just tell you the gospel truth. If you cannot respect law of your country, you cannot have rules and law, rules and regulations, you cannot abide by the law. There is nothing, that country cannot exist. That is why you can see your police is hanging everyone, one junction another, collecting money from people, disappearing people, because of there is no law. If there is no law in a nation, that nation cannot stand. It's just like you building a house without foundation. How do you expect that that house is going? It's not going to stand. Brothers and sisters, I want you people to know it and know it. When we are shouting that this country is a lawless country, they don't know their law. Men and the women that is heavily corrupt, they don't know their, because of corruption, they don't know their left from their right anymore. Where corruption is order of the day, how do you expect that law will exist? It can't. That is why the judge, if judge give order to DSS cannot do what the judge said, because of they know that none of them is practicing the law. What they are practicing is corruptions, party government. You understand what is there now? So that is why you'll be saying, but the judge have given DSS. No, because of this written something, then Fulani don't know what is law. If the earlier you people realize it is, but Fulani don't know what is law. They don't know that one. For these foolish people working with the Fulanis, they don't know what is law. That is why I'm telling our people, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have sent a strong message in that courtroom. He sent that message to we who believe in him. We believe in this struggle, who believe in this ideology. That's for we to rise up and know that this ball now is on our field. That this to release him now is in our hand. For we to for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to be out from that place, it have to be between me and you. Our activities have to speak more than our voice. Ọrụ aka anyị ga-ekwuru anyị more than ka onu anyị si ekwu. Ọnụ aka anyị ka ọrụ aka anyị kwuoro anyị okwu. N'ọbịa bife m na-ekwu. Ịkọtara. So without that, there is nothing no man can do. You are saying that, oh, tomorrow, no, forget about anything. Kangaroo court have told you nothing is happening there. In a place they bring law upside down. You see an old man, because of corruption, how much money, a lot of money, they have given them, no law. A lot of things is going on. So that is why I'm calling men and women who strongly believe in Mazi Nnamdi Kanu cause, who strongly believe in this journey that we are, who strongly believe in the freedom of the people, who strongly believe in the ndị Igbo kwesịrị ibi ndụ ka mmadụ, na ndị Igbo na ala Igbo kwesịrị ka eduzie ihe ka anyị bie ka mmadụ otu Chineke nsi wee gozie anyị. Unu anwe ozi a, we have to do something. It's we have to bring Mazi Nnamdi Kanu out. It's we who have to bring Mazi Simon Ekpa out. These people, whether you like them, you don't like the activities they are doing, but you like them as an Igbo, know that they are an Igbo like you, they are your brothers, they are your sisters. We have to bring them out because of what? Our activities is what will bring these two men out. There is nothing more, no two ways about it. Whether you like it or you don't like it, but this is the gospel truth I'm saying here. Because of what? There is your governors, your elite, your religious leaders, all these people are in the same umbrella with the Fulani. These people are serving Fulani. Let me tell you something. Let me give you a little bit brief story now. Please do us a favor. Subscribe to this channel. Share our videos to other platforms. Join us on this platform. As you are doing that, I say, may God, Chukwu Okike Abiyama, bless you. People who are subscribing, I say, may Chukwu Okike Abiyama bless you people in anything you are doing. I say, only many way I go ceremony no to. Now, Chukwu Okike Abiyama is here. Let me tell you something. Let me just give you some instances of corruption we are talking about. For example, if Mazi Nnamdi Kanu or Mazi Prime Minister Mazi Simon Ekpa are selfish people, Nigeria government have promised Mazi Nnamdi Kanu everything in this life for him to be a better man for himself and his family, unborn family. If him is a selfish person like that, when Fulani gather all these things, then give you money and some agreement, then we write the way they do to that guy. And after, I say, you have to go and meet the security advisor. You have to, for what should you meet all this bunch of criminals? Because of because of you can't say anything anymore. You are saying to go and meet security advisor. Who is the security advisor? Did the security advisor is bigger than law? Tell me, Wazirike, how can a system why do you have judiciary? How do you have legislature? How do you have executive? How do you have these arms of government? Tell me, is it not for each of them to carry their jobs according to the work, according to the post they have? Without no law, without a judge giving an order. If a judge will give an order, nobody will respect the order. It shows that nobody respect the law. It's a common sense. Talking about what concerns security. The judge is who have the final say. We are talking about security advisor. Who is security advisor in a good society? In this place I'm staying now, you are telling me that a law in a court, a judge in a court pronounce a statement. You police. Who are you? Police don't have no mouth before the judge. None of them have anything to say before the judge. When they come in front of the judge, they are just like a civilians who come in the front of the judge. They are normal. They will stay normal like every other person. Because of everybody, you respect your own duty, your positions. Because of they know that any person here, let me tell you something in Europe. Once you are in the cell or you are in the jail, who is keeping you there is judge. It's not police. They don't have nothing to do with you. Understand? Until the judge proclaim any word that comes out. If the judge say let him go, immediately they will throw you away. Judge say keep him there, they will keep you there. But in your own country, that zoo country you call your country, it's not like that, brothers and sisters. That is why I'm saying, men and women who believe in this cause, what do you have what are you going to use to give these two brave men that God has given to us in Igbo land? Mazi Nnamdi Kanu or Hamadike one, and the Prime Minister Mazi Simon Ekpa, these two men who have been sitting there because of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was selfish human being. I want you people to listen and listen carefully. He will collect money. Fulanis will be parading him the way they are parading your Peter Obi and Jonathan. You understand? Because of the need to have been their puppets, because of the knows their corruptions. If you refuse to dance on their throne, then now they will not come for you. You understand? Because of they have the history of your corruption, then keep it because of as their own evidence, like what they used to do you. For example, now, if Mazi Nnamdi Kanu accepted their terms, what is the terms of Fulani? What is the target of Fulani? It's not that an individual person they are targeting. No, they know that if we can buy this individual person with money and all this corruption money, so if we can buy him, now he will be the one doing our job for us, doing the dirty job for us. Because you people know that you have corrupted him. You have his statement, you have his record of corruption now. Now you'll be pushing him just like the way you see your governors, Sorudo, Hopus or them. That is why you see them, they are like a game. You know what Fulani can on Abraham on Abuja, name have pimple, in that. Then we do it because of them. Any day they refuse, Fulani will come after them because of they have paid them to use them to suppress the population of those people, because of them cannot do it like to come by themselves now to be. No, they need somebody who come from you, who speak your language to do that dirty job for them, that then will use your money and pay him off. You understand what I'm saying now? So that is why, if like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a selfish person like them, that the way Wazirike want him to be like them. You understand? If him is somebody like that, that is where they will not put you in that position. You see Wazirike, you see that Peter Obi, you see all of them. They can't talk. Fulani can say whatever they say. Called Peter Obi to say one small thing that the Fulani man have said. You understand? These people have their corruption documents piled. Then we use it against them when they need. When you refuse to do what they ask you to do, that is why you can see as lot of Chandi Bonine, Fulani, Peter Obi cannot say anything. Other people can, all these your Igbo leaders and the religious, they can't say nothing. Because of if they say something, their master will come after them. That is why we the people have to fight for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He have sent that message in the court. And the same way we have to do to our PM, Mazi Simon Ekpa, whether you like what he's doing in this struggle, but one name remember, Nobu Onyibo Kobo, that for their own selfish interest. If they are there for their selfish interest, let me tell you, they will not sleep there for one day. Understand? Because of there is inside messages they have been having before it come to this level. That is why for you to see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to be, he want us to know that I stand where I stand, gidibam. That is the strong message he said. So it's now left for me and you who is outside there to do the marvelous work. Let our job speak. That is why you see him there. The same thing, Mazi Ekpa, we have to do something to bring these people, whether you like it or not. As far as they are Igbo and they want good for you and for your unborn generation, we must to fight and bring these people out, because of they are not there. They didn't commit no crime. The crime they committed is for me to be free, for you to be free, for you to have a good life, for you to live like a normal human being on this planet, that will be regarded, that men and women will see you and say you are welcome. That is what these two brave men are fighting for, if you don't know it. So if you are keeping quiet and say, oh, Obasamo, can get men cause, but one name matter. Remember, do it for one thing. Do it for one thing. Now, God, Chukwu na kembune nigwe, ndi Igbo na akpo ebighị ebi. have omegoro ndị Igbo ife n'oge nwanne mmadụ ebuo mmadụ na-abụ ka Chukwu nyere ndị Igbo ndụ brave two men that cannot take no bribe from nobody, who stand on the truth, who stand on the justice and equity. For you to get this kind of people again, ndị Igbo, it will be so hard. We lose this opportunity, this vital opportunity that God has given to us. This vital opportunity I use. If you lose it, it's problem, brother. It's problem. Ndị Igbo kam na agwa unu. Asimunu ụmụ okorobịa anyị nọ n'ime village. Our liberation army. These people who say that they are here for truth and the honest, who say that they are fighting for this our mother's land, for the truth and the honest. This is your time to do the best that you have. This is the time to provide your best. Provide your best now. People who are here for honest and the truth, because of we have to do this. I get me because of we have to. If I get you with what mother na ba na taranya afufu, if I get you with wall, if I get you with wall, if I get you with ndewono, obo if I olu aka anyị ga-akpọpụta mmadụ na aba. If I mere ga-akpọpụta ha. Because in a magic, there is no magic. Magic that are going to happen is in their hand. God have given us the power. God have given us everything. We, the people, and they say that the power belongs to the people. Now, this is the time we have to take this power that belongs to us and utilize it in a way that it will favor us, the people. Now we have to speak in one voice. But we have to speak in one voice. We have to do our activities. Let our activities begin to speak for us from homeland. All the commanders, people who stand in honest and the truth, I say this is the time for you to take this battle. This is time for battle. Because of there is no more. There is no magic that are going to happen except we that will bring out our leader Mazi Kanu and our Prime Minister Simon Ekpa where he is. Nothing more and nothing less. What my message today is, what do you have to give to these two men in return for the good things that they have done to the Igbos, they have done to the Biafrans? What are we have for them in return? That is my message today. From me, from here is good evening. Please do us a favor. Subscribe to this channel. Share our videos. Join us on this platform. As you are doing that, I say may God bless you. People who have already subscribed, I say may God. Chukwu okike abịama gọzie gị ife ọbụla ka ị na-emene n'ụwa, ife ọbụla aka gị metụrụ. Asị m onye eluigwe, Chukwu okike abịama ka anyị na-akpụ isi anịnye ya gọzie gị pụrụ mmaji n'aha Chukwu okike abịama. I say may God bless every one of you from where you are receiving our message from where you are watching us from. Please subscribe. As you are subscribing and those that have subscribed, I say may God in heaven bless every one of you. From me, from here is good evening. See you again in the night.